All right, we got a Nissan Altima 2.5. It's the coupe. Nice looking vehicle. Look at this. I think it's pretty nice. Now, the Mustang, we're still in the process of doing the Mustang. That's going to be coming out shortly, probably next week, or we'll be finished with that. But this one we just had towed in. Bam! What happened here? Let me take this off of here now. Yeah, this one took a hit. But we're going to get this one done right away. I already got the parts. It's not going to be painted or nothing like that, but it hit hard enough to actually bend the strut. That was a pretty good hit. I guess it's better to bend the strut than it is the A-arm. I mean, to me, it's easier to do the strut. But we're going to have to get that off. Maybe loosen the axle up. I don't know. This is pretty tight fit. It looks like it's right against the wall on top. Hopefully it didn't bend nothing up underneath here. Let's take a look underneath, see if there's any radiator damage or anything. It just got towed in. There's the bumper. That's another one my daughter's doing right now. She's doing an alternator. Just putting another alternator. That was a used one that he had put in there. How you making out down there? Good. All right. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We'll come back shortly with the Mustang totally redone. And hopefully I have this, the majority done except for the painting tomorrow.